Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn the beep sound on and off on a Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. Really cool camera, really cool product. And basically, when you turn it on for the first time, at least when I turned it on for the first time, it made a beep sound every time you sort of moved, every time you touched the button. And you know, I didn't want to hear that beep sound. To each their own, maybe you want to hear it, but I didn't want to hear that beep sound, so I turned it off. And I'm going to show you how to do that because it was really easy. So first and foremost, you want to turn the camera on, okay? So I'm just going to give it a moment to turn on. And once it is turned on, you are going to see a menu, and from that menu over here, you're going to go to the settings. So right now it's on photo. I'm going to just hit the arrow, okay? Video, playback, settings. So we're going to go to setting over here, okay? And I'm going to hit this icon over here, the camera icon, to go into the settings, okay? So I'm going to hit that camera icon. Now we're in the settings. So now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see the beep or beep sound option. So I'm going to scroll down. We have, and I'll just read them out loud. We have print shade, print mode, resolution, image quality, delay photo, 3 photo, cyclic record, I think that's how you pronounce that, date tag, beep sound right there, beep sound. So there it is right there, beep sound. That's the option right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose on or off. So it's very simple. I believe, as far as I can remember, we'll try it out right now. You push the camera icon over here to alter the beep sound option to turn it on or off. So I'm going to push the camera icon right over here, and we're going to see if it works. So yes, now it's checked off. Now it's not checked, and it is checked off, not checked. You can hear it sort of alternating between. So right now it didn't beep when I pressed the button, and now it beeped when I pressed the button. So I'm turning it on and off. No beep right there, and it beeped. One last time, there was no beep, and there's the beep. So anyways, the beep sound is off. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm good with that. That is the setting that I choose. And obviously, I'm just going to go back, and we're back at the main menu. I'm going to turn the camera off. Just give me a moment. But that is basically how you end up turning the beep sound on and off. Really easy to do. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with you in this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.